Hello, it's Yvette, and in this video, I'll show you how to remove plugins from your WordPress website. So here we are again in the back end. We're on our dashboard, and over to the left here, we look for the plugin link just below Appearance. Look for plugin. Now click the link, and you will see a list of all the plugins that are currently installed on your site. First, I'll show you how to remove one plugin, and then I'll show you how to do, more than one at a time, save time. So the most important thing to do is to deactivate the plugin first. So we'll start with the Akismet. Click on Deactivate. Once the plugin is deactivated, the band goes white, and you can see the Activate button, as well as now you can see the Delete button. All you need to do is click on Delete, confirm that you want to delete it, and it's gone. So whatever function that plugin did, it will no longer happen on your site. Now we're going to delete these these three plugins. So what you can do is you click on all three, go up to the bulk actions, click on Deactivate, and then Apply. Because remember, we have to deactivate the plugin before we remove it. Now you can clearly see all three are now in a white band. You can see the Delete button as well as the Activate button if you choose to reactivate. To delete these three now, it's a little quicker. You just, again, you select all three, go to Bulk Actions, Delete, click Apply, confirm once again that you want to delete them, and they'll delete one by one. There you go. So they're all deleted, and again you can see the band of white. And that is how you delete plugins one at a time or in a bulk action. Hope this helps.